Hello and welcome to this second lecture in this section on introduction and overview in this course, Making Right Career Choices. So in this lecture, we will talk to you about a challenging, realistic and insightful case study that you can use for yourself in making the right career choices and choosing one for your success. It's a challenging case of a crossroads of passion, pay, and potential. And the person involved masks, the face mask, name masked is Ria. She is 28 years old. She and educated in bachelor's in technology and computer sciences, and has current role working as a software engineer in a mid-sized IT company with an experience of 5 years. Her personality is very interestingly, you will see, is analytical and creative and empathetic. But her situation is that Ria feels stuck. Despite a stable job and a decent pay, feels unfulfilled. And as a result of that, she is exploring a shift to a more meaningful career, but doesn't know which direction to take. So that is the situation. That is the case, right? Right. And she has why her case is a challenging case because she has many conflicting career options. And it's not easy for her to make a decision unless she uses a kind of a framework that we will show you. So one of her options is to stay in IT firm and aim for a management role. Now the pros and cons of that are there is a job security, there are steady income and career growth path. But the reverse side is there is low motivation for her. There's a burnout risk and there's a lack of emotional fulfillment. She doesn't feel as if she's achieving something in life. The second role for her is to transition to product management. And the advantages of that are it combines tech and creativity, strategic thinking. And the cons of that are that it needs upskilling, business and customer insight, and there's a risk of failure in transition. She could fail, whereas the first option is very secure option. Third option is to switch to a career in UX design. The advantages of the pros of that are it's a human-centered, creative satisfaction in an emerging field. What is not in favor is it requires training, initial pay cut, and a competitive field. And the last thing, her option is she can pursue a social impact through EdTech. Advantage of that being it's a meaning-driven leadership potential and a long-term fulfillment role. The disadvantages or the negatives of that are it's a startup, if there is instability of that, and there are uncertain financial rewards initially. So these are four conflicting career options that she has, and she has a problem deciding what one to follow. So she uses a step-by-step approach, an insightful framework that you will see here to come to a conclusion of what she should be doing. So first step, what she does is she clarifies her career anchors. She identifies her top career anchors as meaningful work, in terms of service and dedication, creativity and innovation, because that's where she is. Her fiber is of that kind, and lifestyle flexibility. Now, this puts a question mark on her current career because there's a very little creativity and flexibility that she has. Second step for her is to use the framework of a career fit triangle. Now, in this framework, after learning, she uses three dimensions of passion in terms of what she loves doing daily, potential where she can excel using her skills, and prosperity, which route will sustain her financially long term. And then she evaluates with the help of a consultant, with the help of a coach. She evaluates the first option. The best option comes out as product management because it rates high on passion, potential, as well as prosperity. Her current option is an average option because it has challenges on her passion. The potential is medium, but the prosperity, the money is high. The UX and the EdTech options are also good with high, medium, medium as you see here, and EdTech being little low initially in terms of prosperity. With this kind of analysis that she did, she's able to see that product management has the strongest balance across all the three parameters among the four options that she has. So tests through micro experiments. Instead of quitting, Ria takes a free product management mini course online. So that's one of the experiments she does. And volunteers part-time in her company's internal, innovation team and shadows a product manager for 2 weeks. And the result is that she discovers genuine excitement in solving user problems and collaborating across teams, which are ideally suited for a product management role, right? And then she builds a transition plan. So when her plan is very clear, her path is very clear, she builds a transition plan. First 3 months, she decides to complete a certification in product management, agile, and product analytics. The next 6 months, she contributes to cross-functional projects. And the next 3 months, then she revises her LinkedIn resume around tech to product narrative. And in 12 months' time, then in the last 3 months, she started applying for internal and external product management roles. So that's how she transitions to the plan that she had in mind. And in the process, she defines the success matrices. She defines her success not just by the salary, but by daily sense of challenges, learning opportunities, work-life alignment, and contribution to innovation. And as a result of that, within a year, she transitions to an associate product management role and finds both fulfillment and growth. Isn't that what you're also looking for? So, what are the key insights for learners like you and me? First, don't make career decision only by elimination, which all of us do. I don't like it, so I say, no, this is not what I'm going to do. Decides by the integration. What fits me best across purpose, strength, and sustainability, the three dimensions that we talked about. And those three parameters could be different for you, but the framework could be common. Use data driven self assessment tools like career anchors, personality fit, skill audit, and make use of a coach to see that you are being rational in deciding. And prototype careers through mini experiments before making a full leap. And define your own success metrics, not society's. So these are some of key insights that we would like to share with you as a learner. So what do we do next? So we will take a deep dive into setting career objectives, right? And then see that is the first step of our process of making a career choice. So we'll take a look at that as the first step. So thank you so much for watching this second lecture on introduction into career an overview in making right career choices course. I hope you are continuing to enjoy, continuing to learn, and please do feel free to download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need. And please do come back for any help that you need.